box. We can get.
I
We can
can
get
grab that.
No, we can get him with the setup. I'm confident.
I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, I think I could definitely get him like this. Yeah. All right, I'm setting up our arena real quick. So.
How many ones does he have, by the way?
0.
Minor problems or minor.
For now. You think you can face me and my sword? Apparently he can't.
And he's dead.
I don't know if this is going to prevent the lightning, but there's a lightning rod up here, so that they'll at least tank the lightning.
Very cool, very cool. Make a hammer. Goes to corrupt. Get guns.
Yeah.
I'll be the fastest of boys. Okay, you need a hammer. You need to go to corrupt.
That's what I'm making right now. Yellow marigold. Give her. I've got a hammer, I've still got the bombs. So let's go get a bunch of these things. We'll just set up for as many as we can.
Frick, the Cthulhu's too hard. Let's fight the worm.
Yeah, the next mission. On to the next boss.
Yep, we've got this one down pat.
Thank God you could switch it all the way down.
Thank God I can't take ball damage. Side note, you can take ball damage, be careful.
Yes.
Man, we definitely had him that last fight.
Yeah, I think what happened there was I fell twice. And
Yep.
took like an extra 150 unnecessary damage. That was gonna hurt. God, I hate fall damage.
Where did you go down? What hole?
I didn't go down, I'm behind you.
No, like, the first time.
Oh, I can't tell you in words. It's a mystery.
Mind you, this guy only speaks one language, and can't even speak that one properly.
It wasn't this one. It was like way past this. It was this one right here.
You can take ball damage.
Yeah.
Say it with me now. I am immortal. Throw a bomb down here and blow your way doing. Anyways. Blow him up. There's a hook that's over here.
Nice.
Need bombs up. There's a worm coming. It's okay, it's okay. I'll part of the calculations. You know you can use gel and
No. I love the
you can use gel and
yeah, I'm making sticky bombs right now. The world, the Eater of Worlds may be super easy with the sword, because if you noticed, every single segment on that worm got hit.
Into overkill.
So,
well, you suck. The overkill mechanic might work on.
I think it
like
would.
the segments.
Yeah. Alright, that one's all yours.
No, that's all yours.
Yeah, dude, I like instantly shoot worms. Let's give it not a super big attempt, but
yeah, but you know,
an attempt.
We're gonna spawn it anyways. No reason not to
try it.
Hey, there's a chest up there.
I cannot return.
Imagine that's your last bomb.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, this lantern's awesome.
It really is, dude.
Anything
Nice.
cool in there?
Nah, just throwing those.
Okay. May I have the throwing knives?
Yes.
Because my weapons are the big bad.
You're telling me you don't
Okay.
have a giant ass sword?
I'm saying I do not have a giant ass sword. And I'm jealous.
Alright, you can have this, because I will never use that. Cool. Now you got a ranged weapon. Mr. Defector, go ahead and take your gun.
I'll murder you with this gun.
It's such an ironic statement.
Get defected.
Just imagine that.
Now.
It's World War II. This is a defector who has never in their life used a weapon. The first time he ever picks one up to use it, what does he say? Get defected. I'm still alive after I kill him.
Yeah, get ready.
Oh wait, there might be more down here.
Yeah, but you know.
Oh yeah, that's right. I still take fall damage. Ooh, it's a good thing I got the whatchamacallit. Alright, I'll come back. Let's do that. Alright, let's get this way.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay. I'm gonna come right back up here. File trash. It hurts. It hurts. But he can crit. It hurts a lot. But this isn't half bad. I'm depending on how long I can live down here. I may not begin killing him.
Oh. We're all sons of bitches now. You got this. Ultraquacky, he's our man.
Just
if he
kill-
can't kill him, nobody can.
If I
Once
can get it to where I start
get.
killing things,
Got
I'll
one.
start gaining health.
Ultra, he's our man. You can't mark him, nobody can.
The leg! It's so bad.
Kill Ultra.
The game is
Ultra,
like in slow motion.
Say your signature catchphrase.
What is my signature catchphrase?
I don't know. Ah, dang. You have the magic book on you?
I do not. Can you grab the book?
I keep giving it to you. Why do you keep putting it away?
You know, that's a good question, man. I just realized that myself.
I hate you. I hate you with all of my hate. I have Hermes boots. Hey, can you go back? I'm ultraquacky. I think I'm better than everyone else.
It's not at all a true statement.
Oh, I'm ultraquacky. I know I'm better than
There
everyone
you
else.
go. That's the one.
Yep.
It's the little things in Terraria that make the game so appealing.
Just gonna assume I know what you're talking about.
Don't worry. They know. That's all.
Okay. I'm not saying I'm going to be mad, but are you sure you do not have the armor book in your inventory? Now I want you to look at your inventory for a second here. I'm not going to not be upset.
I've muted myself. He doesn't know.
Just answer honestly.
I muted myself, guys. I'm sorry.
Ultra. General Quacker.
I'm so sorry.
Can I get an F in the chat?
It's good news though. I've got 12 armor now.
Maybe I have 12 armor. That's what you sound like. No, I have Hermes boots, and I'm asking you to run all the way back for a book I have in my inventory.
This is what it looks looks like to have a good partner, ladies and gentlemen. That good partner being me.
Yep, this is what it looks like to work with a literal chimpanzee.
Oh man, I remember how much I hated dust storms. Yeah, it's right here. Meteorite landed right here.
Yeah, how are we supposed to, like, you know, mine them without a good pickaxe?
I've got one. And I have an obsidian skull, so it's simply possible. Let me get some of
So
this.
you have a pickaxe that can mine that?
Yeah, I've got a platinum. Nice. Well, let me build you a little... Nah, you got an obsidian skull too. We can survive here. You can get in hidey hole. It's nice. Right
Wait.
in one of these gateways, it spawned. I don't
That's
know
not
how.
Meteorites.
He's done it.
I've been working on the railroad.
Did you hear that at all?
What?
Good. I adjusted my chair and it like almost fell backwards.
I have made a mistake.
Are you good?
This is a very, very deep hole.
Are you okay?
Okay, I found the jungle again.
Yes. Is there a bomb in any of these?
I don't know. Possible, I guess.
Oh, it is. Alright. Lit.
Sick.
Got 2 more. Maybe that's enough.
Ooh.
That's gonna be a close one.
So
It's
close.
I think I can break it.
Ow.
Maybe. Nah.
When you try
One
your
more.
best.
And you don't succeed. Back home. Hate it. I hate it.
It's my teammate, guys.
I hate it. It's right click to throw things. Well, you know how to kill yourself. I'll meet you home.
Excuse me? Did I just hear you correctly? Did I just hear it here first? He wants me to kill myself?
Yep.
Alright. Okay.
I just gotta be honest.
Don't say, honestly, it's a good search. You're welcome, by the way.
Thank you so much for getting the sword, Kody. Such a... glad we were able to mine it out of the cavern.
Please, just murder me.
I was gonna say, what's going wrong there, buddy? Why are you still alive?
They won't murder me.
King Slime is awoken. Alright, well,
Oh,
we get to kill one boss today at least.
it's no eyeball, but
This is what you guys came here for, right? Bop him. Goomba. So good.
stop dying for King Slime.
How did you die?
I have no weapons.
Oh, that's fair.
Wait for a second, I have no piercing weapon. Hey, you have 10 HP. You should work on that.
Yeah. Can you, I don't...
What do you want me to
Too
do?
much for me right now. I just need a potion.
You don't have any potions on you.
I ate them all.
How? You had 30.
Yeah. Used a lot of potions. Would you be able to grab me some out of the chest while I beat this boy?
I hate.
That is one
They're over here, man. Come get them.
Look. Thank you. So much.
You have Hermes boots, man. Just Hermes boots.
No. I can bait him.
You have 50 HP. Okay. Spike slime hurts so much.
Yeah, that's what I was after. This is Spiky boy.
Epic intense boss battle. Epic rap battles of slime.
Why can they just spawn underneath you?
I don't know what you're talking about. You're surrounded by them.
I want to kill the minions. Thank you for coming back. I have 5 seconds left.
Does this guy ever despawn?
I don't know. Alright, I'm taking it as support.
Do it faster.
Killing blow.
This is unfair. This is outrageous. That guy be appointed Bob if he would not give him the rank of slime killing master. Maybe he'll drop a cool weapon for us. What do you think? I know he
Drop
like
some
drops
ninja
ninja
armor.
stuff. I feel what expert mode drops.
Yeah, me too. I want to go down there and kill him because I don't want him to despawn, but I don't want to die and screw myself.
You don't want to die and also have him spawn.
Yeah.
That's why you have a potion, man.
Ooh, stay alive. You're good. Just run on the platform. Typically, it won't teleport right on top of you. Just keep moving, whatever you do. If you stay standing on the platform, he sometimes teleports underneath you. I'm almost back. Just stay alive. He's done it. Die.
Kill, murder, destroy.
He's got 2 HP. He's done it. There are a lot of spiked slimes underneath him.
Oh my Lanta.
Bobathy Destroyer Slimes.
Oh.
Slime has stopped falling from the sky. I don't think that has anything to do with us killing the boss. I think he would have just despawned had we not killed him 2 seconds ago.
Unfortunate.
Goblin
good.
army is approaching
Wonderful.
from the west.
Let's
Alright.
do all the events.
I'm fine with this. I mean, hey. Just go grab his loot. And remember where Slime Guy died because his special bag will be there.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to fight an army here. Please help. Send backup.
I am on my way.
I gave all my potions to you, so
A lot of runners. Die. Here are some potions. I chucked them very far away.
where are they?
They're over here. My guy has a throwing arm. There's a hole down there. Underneath. Underneath. There you go.
Wonderful. Yeah, we get it. A Goblin army is approaching.
Let's go.
They're here.
They're here. We may be prepared for this.
You
I
might
don't-
be dead.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, we'll get some cool items out of this, so.
Well, we got some spike balls, so that's cool.
Yeah, oh yeah. Easy Cthulhu kill with the spike balls. Yeah, we are so not prepared for this. I'm not even prepared.
What do you mean? We're already 10% through, man. We're destroying them.
I'm like either intimidating these guys or they're getting buffs.
One arrow. That's the cost of my life.
Really?
What are you... Is he singing?
Yeah, he's a bard.
I want bard items. Give it to me. Maybe it sounds atrocious.
But if I aim underneath, I hit people without my sword even hitting them.
I'm getting a platform where I belong. To be honest, I hate this. I hate all of this.
We need armor.
We need something. Oh yeah, I don't even have my book equipped.
Oh yeah, me neither. Do you have the book on you?
Yes, I'm gonna throw it to you, and remember, it's in your inventory.
Right. There's that. Because my inventory's full. They have now trappers, and then obviously the bards
I
are
see
new
that.
too. They're throwing their own spike balls, and it's terrible. It's a bad time.
They're outside. Birds are singing. Goblins are slaying. Whoa. We're almost halfway there. Yeah, at least you can tank some damage.
Yeah.
I'm saying that.
Well, I think for a rather boring beginning, it's got a pretty interesting.
You know, it ramped up towards the end here.
Yeah.
You know, slight miscalculations on our part.
Now let's just hope when
Now-
nighttime comes.
Now the moment night comes, just a natural eye could be
Yeah.
respawn. I literally have no weapons available besides this one.
Yeah, that's what we need to get you. We need to get you
I need
not even a weapon,
something.
but just an item. Something
Something
that
I
you can
can
just
use.
constantly use.
I need like a bard item or something.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, I got some blues in my own.
Save me. Bobber P can fight slimes, not goblins.
I love running through, whacking one man with my crit, and then critting everything else because of it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty solid.
I hate the spike balls. It's so OP because you can't see them at all.
I'm in danger. Ultra. He's our man. He can't kill them. Nobody can. Go Ultra. Woo!
Survived with 2 HP. Arch died. So good.
Well,
The tin
that
out
was
of here. Big,
fascinating.
big. Get enough of those. Let's pick up all this stuff. Still got this treasure bag I gotta open.
I love me the wood.
Got a music disc.
I want it. Sounds like a bard item. Gotta be a DJ. Bob would be up in this hood.
Honestly.
Well, I got 107 spiked bombs, 92 spiked balls, 166 U-wood.
That's what I got. What is this? I got a reversivity coin. Yeah, a reversivity coin. Tier 1 from the Slime Boy. Can be used for buying treasure bags from operators.
Cool.
That seems really cool. Because treasure bags
I
are
now
the
have
rewards.
a ninja shirt in my slime bag.
Nice.
And a ninja helmet.
Oh, bro. Can I have a... Let's see. No.
Increases throwing damage.
Put on the... I think for now, for you, you know what you gotta do.
I'm a ninja.
Also,
I'm ready.
give those to you.
Slime gun does 10 damage. It looks like it's healing gun.
It probably is because they're slimes. And I was fortunate enough to find this bad boy.
He's hacking.
That's nice. I got this now.
Well, successful. Run was successful. You should make yourself meteorite armor.
Very...
What do you mean? I have 17 armor now. I'm invincible.
How much armor do I have? Let's see here. 23. Nice. Went from 0 to hero for sure.
Yeah, we've ascended.
This is hammock.
Don't move. Hurry. It's almost nighttime.
Let's go.
Down here. Remember, you can take fall damage.
I cannot take fall damage.
You have a horseshoe?
You have the horseshoe.
Correct. Remember, you can take fall damage. Also you.
I meant I couldn't. You...
Is he on drugs?
So what you meant there is that I can take fall damage.
Correct.
I interpreted it as you can fall. You are allowed to fall.
How? How do you... That's Randall Lava.
And that's also why I said I can't take fall damage, as in I can't fall. Okay, we don't have water at the end of that.
How?
I getcha.
How high?
I found a hook. What are you high?
The guy?
Oh! Oh, yeah, that's right. We killed the Goblin Army already. Dude, it's so weird. We've only done one mining trip and we've already killed the Goblin Army. Heck yeah.
I wish I had enough gold, though.
Me too. I literally just tried to do that. I also got a hook, so I can just make you a grappling hook now.
Sick.
Cork grease.
How much gold do you have?
None. 46
Oh.
silver.
Oh, suck.
The spiky balls get used when you throw them. Just not the explosive ones, which are the better ones.
Hey,
This is spider.
it's yeah.
I got the melee weapons for this now. There's a... It's like a wrapped up boy.
You wanna save him? You wanna save me? Because I'm falling to, my demise. What's that?
I have no idea, but we're not gonna break it yet.
That's it. I think.
Oh yeah, life quartz.
Eyeball, eyeball, eyeball.
Hermes boots. No eyeball.
Dang it.
Just got Hermes boots for you. I feel like there's... up.
What are you looking for?
It's typically a chest in these biomes. I'm getting murked by poison. Got it. I knew it. There's always somebody here. I got the hairstylist. Dawn's
Excellent.
wig. Team hair dye. Depth hair dye. Hair dye remover.
I get it, you like dyeing your hair. So you're over here. Need to build up.
Why not go down?
Do you have a... Fine, mine down. See if I can.
You're just gonna ask me if I have a pickaxe?
No, I just didn't think you wanted to mine.
No. We can find another cave system.
You're gonna drown, right?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Ow!
Yeah, thanks for the tip, Kody. Hey, Jacob, come up to the surface while I shoot this poison arrow out at you.
No, you like small objects inside of you, so... It was, never mind, I got it.
Hey, don't worry, I'm just digging for my life, because I'm probably gonna drown if I don't find something. He's done it. Now I've got to do it again. Now enough room for air.
Let's see me do it again. I've gotten a few more rubies. What's happening? Where are we?
We are here. I'm... He's done.
You're like, what? Can you help me here?
I got you. Alright, you can breathe.
Hey,
Are you good?
just, you know, an explosive lever over there?
Yeah. Watch the silt.
Nothing. There's also a cave, like, directly below us, it's huge.
Okay. I'm gonna go to this detonator.
It has platinum.
Yeah, let's get the platinum. This isn't necessarily a mining run, but while we're here.
Yeah, that's a mine. Huh? Look at this mining.
Don't mind the earthquake. There's definitely enough platinum for me to want to mine.
Black is platinum.
Cody's just sitting down there, lighting.
Yeah, I was lighting up your life. Yeah, you should pour some water in this hole.
Do I have water?
Yeah, I think so.
Thorium. Grab this real quick.
Thorium, you're like, Yorium. Get it? There was a chest right there. I don't know if you got it already, but...
I did not. Thank you. I saw it.
You're a failure.
There's some water for
Yeah,
you. Hear the sound.
thanks for the water. Really, yep.
You got it. No worries.
Anyways, just over there.
There's some
Oh yeah, more
for
water.
you.
That's what I wanted.
Nothing too good. Still- yeah, I'll take that. Alright, where you at, my guy?
Down with soul. There's another hard crystal and a compass apparently.
Compass.
overpowered items are blatantly overpowered.
Do you want this one?
Yeah, I'll take that one. I'll take it if you don't consume it.
There you go. He's done.
He's done.
Nothing, man. Oop, little something.
Let's see something.
There's a bat right here.
It's a thick boy.
It was a thick boy. Ooh.
You want to ride that minecart?
Heck yeah, bro. Let's do it.
It looks pretty comfortable.
It's the minecart that. There's a Shelly above us.
Ooh.
That boy.
Oh. Bad Shelly. You know what? I'm gonna make this safer.
Bombs.
Try and sneak up on us again, Shelly. They'll see. They'll all see.
Just one last chest with an eye cathedral. Or even a couple bombs. Oh, I see another chest with a
Chest
lot of
demon.
demons. A lot of demons.
Need to get into open space.
Just survive. I need to get 10. I can take it. Give me 2.
Take me to your leader. Just stay in the explosives.
Die. 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 Where'd you teleport to? He's still alive. He teleported
dead.
somewhere.
No. He's dead.
Lit. Got a wormhole potion. So you want to ride this elevator? Elevator. Minecraft chat.
Elevator.
I swear to God, I cannot articulate words today.
Yep,
I don't know
there's
what's
something wrong
going
with
on
my
with
face. No, there's something seriously wrong with you, probably. Probably brain tumor.
Absolutely. I got 5
Eyeball.
And a band of regeneration, which isn't bad because I've got the other thing, but no eyeball. I would say that the Splunker potions. Are you good?
Ah! There's 2 of them.
He's done.
Get watered.
He's done.
Wait, what is that? It's a shield.
Me.
Replace a current shield with it.
Defense increased by 2, well equipped. It's not a shield, but it is an item. Not bad, but not horrible. Just clearing out my inventory real quick. Now we ride the mine shaft. Now just don't go fast, because it can probably go into lava.
Right over the lava.
It's so cold. No, Kody. How do you?
Bye.
It's not fine. You ran right in the lava.
It takes control of your movement.
It does, yeah. Oh, that's so good.
Well, you're all alone.
Yeah, I'll be up there in a second. I think we got everything we need. I'm just gonna explore the spider biome we just ran into and see if there's a chest. I love you guys. It's like, oh, I'm on fire. Dive into the pool of lava. It'll help.
He'll put it out. It's like in Minecraft when you're swimming in the lava and you're not drowning. Help.
Help.
Help. Send back up.
Please, done it. There's so much spider dung.
There's only a way to get bile powder with what's her face and blood moon.
Yeah. I don't think you need a blood moon to get the bile powder.
And what did
Unless
she
that
tell them?
was.
I think that's her item. Maybe if we're lucky, like food will respawn.
Somewhere there's a hook. Don't fear, guys, we'll find it.
He won't.
Barbarino was torn in half by the mud. Wait, what?
Yeah. Mud murdered me. How? Don't ask me how. There's an eyeball. There's an eyeball. Murdered the eyeball.
I forgot.
Overkill.
Another lens.
Give me more ones since they're giving me death.
There's another eyeball. This one does not have a lens on him. It doesn't mean it won't drop one. Where's that hook? I know for a fact I had it.
Probably trashed it like you do with all your items.
Dude, I remember when I first started playing Terraria and I forgot the shift click auto trashes things.
Yep.
I remember throwing away so much stuff without even realizing it, like my whole inventory.
Sounds like something you would do.
It was so sad.
What does a skeleton tile his roof with?
Unconscious man. Huh? How did I get here? Nice. Yeah.
So,
Scratch that. I'm gonna blow into 3 of them.
you know how this is gonna go down, right?
No fear. No fear at all. Oh. Okay. Scratch that. I'm gonna blow into 2 of them. That's
That you're gonna blow into one of them. It's gonna spawn.
Nah. Okay, he's already right there.
You're gonna wormhole to me.
Nah. There is not a single concern. He's done it. Now, you click, where are you at? Why did you fall down this hole?
Because I thought you were fighting that. Fine. Well,
I'm only taking like 2 damage from this board. Service.
I'll be back. Don't mind me.
Let's go.
Ultra, he's our man. If he can't kill it, nobody can. Go Ultra. Let's go Ultra.
Kill in the head. He's got it. I just. Oh my lord.
Go Ultra. Woohoo, Ultra. You're quack-a-lacking over there.
This is gonna be real bad. This is a bad time.
Dodge.
I'm literally. That was the best. I'm so glad I got that on video. Genuinely,
Yeah.
that was impressive.
No.
I just had 2 HP out of nowhere. Dude, his body was horizontal across the land, and
Yep.
I literally Goomba stomped with 2 HP all the way to safety.
It's quack-a-lack.
Just quack-a-lack, my guys. Alright, so we achieved a little bit here. We got 2 events out of the way that we weren't looking to get done, and we got 0 events out of the way that we were looking to get done. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's pretty productive.
Astounding success.
Yes. Also, we got the best mining, we got the best ores. As you can see, this sword's the best ore I've ever mined up. There's also this for you. You can take that. Got 2 more whips. Can't even use it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, get it on. I can start saying stuff like this because I'm a YouTuber now.
So,
See you guys later. I hope we'll quack you next time.